Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel again, Usman Sinha Mathematics. So we are doing the trigonometric identity chapter. As you can see, we are doing trigonometric identity chapter, and in this video we will going to discuss some solution related to trigonometric identity exercise 7b. Exercise 7a we have already completed, and there are various types of maths are given in class 10th RS Agarwal math book. This video I am making for board student, class 10th standard students, so that they will take a help from my video. So here, elimination of trigonometric identities. Now exercise 7b of trigonometric identities. Okay, first question, what is given in first question? It is given if a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to m and a sin theta minus b cos theta equal to n, then we have to prove that m square plus n square equal to a square plus b square. Means elimination of trigonometric identities. This is elimination of trigonometric and not identities, ratios. Elimination of trigonometric ratio means in these two equations we can easily see that there will be the trigonometric ratios are present. So in our next step we have to do that, the elimination. This here no trigonometric ratio present. So for that we can naming it as equation number 1 and this is as equation number 2. Now squaring and adding equation 1 and 2. If we do that, we will get m square plus n square, and here a cos theta, b sin theta whole square, a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square. Hope you are able to see. Next, a square cos square theta twice ab sin theta cos theta, b square sin square theta plus a square sin square theta plus minus twice ab sin theta cos theta plus b square cos square theta. Okay. Now taking a square common, cos square theta plus sin square theta, twice ab sin theta cancel out. Taking b square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1, so a square into 1 plus b square into 1, so that's implying a square plus b square. So we will get m square plus n square is equal to a square plus b square. So this is the first question of exercise 7b. Next move to second question. Second question is quite similar. I am not solving it. Next, question number third. What is given? X by a sin theta minus y by b cos theta equal to 1 and x by a cos theta y by b sin theta, that's equal to 1. We have to prove that x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 2. Again, this is equation number 1, equation number 2, squaring and adding, we get x x by a cos theta y by b sin theta whole square, that's equals to 1 square plus again 1 square. Okay. Now this equal to x square by a square sin square theta plus minus twice xy by ab sin theta cos theta plus y square by b square cos square theta plus x square by a square cos square theta plus twice xy by ab sin theta cos theta plus y square by b square sin square theta, that's equal to, we are getting 2. Now taking x square by a square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta, this is cancel out, plus taking y square by b square common, cos square theta plus sin square theta, and that's equal to 2. This is x square by a square into 1 plus y square by b square into 1, that's equal to 2. X square by a square plus y square by b square, that's equal to 2, proved. Next, move to another question. Next, it is given that question number 4 and 5 is quite similar. So I am doing question number 4, sec theta plus tan theta equal to m, sec theta minus tan theta equal to n. We have to show that, we will find the value of m into n equal to 1, that we have to show. So here sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta, that's equal to mn, means this is 1, this is 2, means multiplying 1 and 2 we get, that's equal to, this is sec square theta minus tan square theta, that's equal to mn. Sec square theta minus tan square theta means 1, that's equal to mn, proved. Next, come to question number 6 is also very easy, you can try it yourself. Next, question number 7, tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m, tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n. Then we have to prove that m square minus n square whole square is equal to 16 mn. So m square we first take LHS. LHS means m square minus n square square, means m plus n, m minus n square. Okay, so from here this is 1, this is 2. If we do m plus n, what we get? Sin theta should be cancelled out, 2 tan theta, and m minus n, that should be 2 sin theta. Okay, now so from here we can write that 2 tan theta and 2 sin theta whole square. Okay, that's implying 16 tan square theta sin square theta. Now this is this would be the LHS. Okay, so we can follow another process, that is LHS is given to us m square minus n square whole square. So first we should compute the m square minus n square. Now m square minus n square means tan theta plus sin theta whole square minus tan theta minus sin theta whole square. Okay, hope you are able to see it. Now tan square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta tan theta minus tan square theta minus sin square theta plus 2 tan theta sin theta. Again, if we cancel out this, so we will get 4 sin theta tan theta. Now m square minus n square whole square, that means 4 tan theta sin theta whole square, that means 16 tan theta sin theta. Okay, you can do any one process to get this LHS, this process also and this process also. Now come to RHS. What is given in RHS? It is given in RHS that 16 mn. Okay, so 16 mn, so that's equals to 16 into tan theta plus sin theta tan theta minus sin theta, 16 tan square theta minus sin square theta, 16 into sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now taking 16 sin square theta common, here also tan square theta and sin square theta would be there. Then 16 sin square theta will be common, 1 minus cos square theta minus 1. So that can be written as 16 sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta by cos square theta. Now 16 sin by cos, that can be written as tan square theta, and 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So here you can take the LHS, and this LHS will be matching to each other, this LHS and this LHS. Okay, so that's it. Next move to another question. Next move to question number 8. Question number 8, what is given? Sin theta plus cos theta equal to m and sec theta plus cosec theta equal to n. If so, then we have to prove that n into m square minus 1 is equal to 2m, that we have to prove. Now taking LHS, n into m square minus 1, n into m square minus 1. Now n means sec theta plus cosec theta, m square minus 1 means sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1. Okay, that's implying sec theta plus cosec theta, and here this is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1, sec theta plus cosec theta, this is 1 should be cancelled as 2 sin theta cos theta. Now sec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta plus, this is 1 by, sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta plus 1 by sin theta, and this is 2 sin theta cos theta. Now if we do the calculations over here, that is this can be written as 2 sin theta plus cos theta. Now sin theta plus cos theta means m, so 2m, that's equal to the RHS. Okay. Next, I am doing question number 13. Question number 13, it is given that if a cos cube theta plus 3a sin square theta cos theta equal to m and a sin cube theta plus 3a sin theta cos square theta equal to n. If so, then we have to prove that m plus n whole to the power 2 by 3 plus m minus n whole to the power 2 by 3, that's equal to twice a to the power 2 by 3, that we have to prove. Hope you are able to see it. Now this is equation number 1, equation number 2. First we do 1 plus 2. If we do that, 1 plus 2, we will get m plus n, that's equals to a cos cube theta plus 3a sin square theta cos theta plus a sin cube theta plus 3a sin theta cos square theta. Now that's equals to if we take a common, we are getting cos cube theta plus 3 sin square theta cos theta plus 3 sin theta cos square theta plus sin cube theta. That means a cos theta plus sin theta whole cube. Now m plus n whole to the power 2 by 3, that implying a to the power 2 by 3 into cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Hope you will able to understood this step. Okay, m plus n is equal to this. So if we do m plus n whole to the power 2 by 3, we will get a to the power 2 by 3 cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Okay. Next come to m minus n. So if we do m minus n, what we will get? If we do m minus n, we will get a cos cube theta thrice a sin square theta cos theta minus a sin cube theta minus thrice a sin theta cos square theta. Okay, taking a common, cos cube theta minus 3 cos square theta sin theta plus 3 sin square theta cos theta minus sin cube theta. So that's equals to a cos theta minus sin theta whole cube. From here, this line, we will get m minus n whole power 2 by 3, that's equals to a power 2 by 3 into cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Okay. Okay. Now m plus n whole power 2 by 3 m minus n whole power 2 by 3, that's equals to a power 2 by 3 cos theta plus sin theta whole square plus a power 2 by 3 cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Taking a to the power 2 by 3 common, what we get? Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus twice cos theta sin theta cos theta sin theta, okay, plus cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 cos theta sin theta. This can be cancelled out. A power 2 by 3, this is cos square theta plus sin square theta 1, cos square theta plus sin square theta 1, that is 2a to the power 2 by 3, and that will be the RHS. So this is question number 13. Next come to question number 14. Question number 14. What is given question number 14? 2 sin theta plus 3 cos theta equal to 2. Then if so, then we have to show that 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta, that's equal to plus minus 3. So taking LHS, 2 sin theta plus 3 cos theta, that's equal to 2. That's implying 2 sin theta plus 3 cos theta whole square is equal to 2 square, 4 sin square theta plus 9 cos square theta plus 2 into 3, 12 sin theta cos theta, that's equal to 4. Now 4 we can write in this equal to 1 minus cos square theta, 9 this equal to 1 minus sin square theta plus 12 sin theta cos theta, that's equal to 4. Hope you are able to understood it. Now this is equal to 4 minus 4 cos square theta plus 9 minus 9 sin square theta plus 12 sin theta cos theta, that's equal to 4. 13 minus, taking common, we will get 4 cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta minus 12 sin theta cos theta, that's equal to 4. Now 4 cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta minus 12 sin theta cos theta, that's equals to 9. This can be written as 2 cos theta, or this can be written as 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta whole square, that's equal to 9. Now from here 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta is equal to plus minus root 9, that means plus minus 3, proved. So that's it, the full solution of exercise 7b of trigonometric identities. Another solutions is given here, and some hints are also given. So I am not solving it right now. Next one question is remaining, students, so I am just solving that. Question number 17. It is given that tan theta is equal to a by b, then a sin theta minus b cos theta by a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to a square minus b square by a square plus b square, that we have to show. Now taking the LHS A sin theta minus B cos theta, A sin theta plus B cos theta. Dividing by cos theta, numerator and denominator we get A tan theta minus B, A tan theta plus B. Okay, putting the value of tan theta over here, A into A by B minus B, A into A by B plus B. If we do the calculation, we will get A square minus B square, A square plus B square. Proved. Okay. Next question number more question is given here. Question number 16. Question number 16, as you can see, question number 16 is given here. So you will try it yourself. If you have any problem, then comment me in my comment box, students. So that's it in this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and do subscribe the channel, and please be permanent so that I will get motivated from you and thoroughly upload my study related videos. Okay, so do watch the full video and comment me what type of video you need, study related video. I will definitely try to provide that. Okay, and please do subscribe, like, share among your friends, your elders, your sisters. Okay, thank you.